All right, so are we starting with the guns?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, sorry. Almost squirted her.
She almost took me out. I think I'm about to do something crazy with this.
Did we just make love? Ooh, yeah, give it some of that oomph. Hey everybody, it's Jade and welcome back to my channel, Lifestyle with Jade. Today I'm with Shweetie! And we are in a splatter paint room. This is so cool, this room is amazing. We have our own canvases so we get to make our creative splatter painting to take home, but we also get to splatter paint the walls, the car, all the other cool things in this room, and we're super excited.
Let's go ahead and get started. Should we start? What do you want to start with? The guns? I see you already have one in your hand.
Yeah, I have my gun already.
Ah.
It's loaded with paint.
So maybe we should start by putting these canvases somewhere? I think I'm gonna put mine over here maybe and get started.
Okay, I'll put mine next to you so we can kind of do it together. Here, right here.
So then that way you can kind of see. It's kind of sticking to there from all the paint that is residual from other people. So it's perfect. All right, so are we starting with the guns?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no!
All right, let me do a test shot. Y'all want to see my test shot? So you load it up like that, and then.
Ooh, so cool. Are there different colors?
I think you can reload it, get different guns. Let me try a different gun. Is this one loaded? Let's see. Oh, sorry. Almost squirted her.
She almost took me out.
Oh!
You know what? I think I'm about to do something crazy with this. About to just wow. Wow.
Oh, sh.
Wow. Yeah.
I'm gonna try purple. I put purple in it.
That's awesome. Did you pour the paint in there?
Look at that. That's sick. Wait, yours is, I want the orange. Can I try the orange?
Yeah, here.
I like what you got going on.
It's pretty neat.
She got this. Let me just try to.
I want to see if I can do.
Just like my teacher. Woo!
Yours looks so cool. I want to try the squirt gun. Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be a mess. We're gonna shower after this. Woo!
Yellow. Is this the purple squirt gun? Okay, I'm gonna. Yeah! Oh my God! Yeah!
I feel so powerful.
Alakazam. Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Straight up squirted the cameraman.
Slimed it.
Guys, I kind of want to nuke this a little bit.
Nuke it.
We go and nuke the car a little bit, get it a little extra. Ooh, yeah, give it some of that.
I want to write my name on it.
Yeah, do it. Do S, write an S. Should I nuke this roller skate in the corner?
Nuke it. Slime it.
Let's move out.
Oh, are we sliming each other now? She's got a squirt gun though. This is not fair. I'm ready to go to war.
That was fun. What's over here? What can we get over here? So you signed an S? Should I sign?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sign a J. The golden J.
Yes. You might need to go over it with another color, cause.
J and S.
Yeah.
We run this, you know what I'm talking about?
Is there any red? Oh, that's cute. That's a good idea.
Okay, okay, okay.
How about we mix some colors here?
That doesn't even look like a handprint.
Oh my God, that looks so cool.
Let's try again. One more time. I think I need more. That's scary.
Oh no, yours looks so cool. I love hers. Okay, now I'm gonna do green on mine. Slime time.
Turn
It
around.
doesn't even show up.
Turn around. No, it's my turn.
Want some angel wings too?
Ooh.
Feel very.
Did we just make love? Yellow.
I feel I have paint on my face from. It's my.
Oh my god, that was cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Look, wait. You
The
ready?
yellow is the one to use for that.
That's sick. Yeah.
Oh.
You gotta go more.
Oh. Oh. So I'm like, oh.
Take a lot of it. Yeah. Yeah. This is so cool. Oops.
Oops.
Thank you guys so much for watching our paint adventure. We're messes right now. She got some on her face. I got it all over me. Oh! There goes more. Anyways, we made these cute little paintings. Look. This one, and this one. Ooh, she about to finish it off. Bam. Bam, bam, bam.
They look
This place
fire.
is so cool. We are at, what is this place called?
Uncharted Adventures.
Uncharted Adventures in Austin, Texas. If y'all want to come and do some splatter paint, you really should. Thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure to like this and comment what you want to see me and Shweetie do next.
Bye, y'all.